We now are happy to have Make a World on Cubify, allowing Make a Lab on Cubify, allowing little girls and older girls to actually design and make their own dolls. And one of the things that I'm really excited about is the digital dollhouse, which allows kids and their parents to actually design and decorate their entire dollhouse with 3D printed furniture that have been made on our beautiful cube. And to introduce that, we're fortunate to have with us Jessica Durchin.
Hi.
Who is going to tell us all about digital play space and digital dollhouse.
Thank you, Avi.
So tell us, what's the big deal here? What are we looking at, Jessica?
What you are looking at is a house that's completely furnished with furniture that was created on the cube. So believe it or not, these items were printed and painted, and anyone can do it. I printed these out next to my desk. And if you come this way, you'll actually see that everything from these tables and the sink to miniatures, like this little pot and this little chair, were all created. This cat was created using the Sense scanner and then painted. So imagine now it's sort of like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Mommy, I Shrunk my family and my pet.
So Honey, I Shrunk the Cat? Is that
That's
it?
right, Honey, I Shrunk the Cat are now fitted into the dollhouse of your dreams.
So how do I do that? How do I get started? Where do I go? How do I become not only an interior decorator and a storyteller, but really a designer and a furnisher of my own dream house?
What's really fantastic about this product is, unlike having a regular catalog of items, you can go to digitaldollhouse.com or Dreamhouse Designer on Facebook and play with all of these items virtually. So as your item is being printed or while you're deciding, you can create these individual rooms with over 3,000 models, accessories, wallpapers, and then show it off to a virtual community of people and really create it for yourself. So you're customizing, sharing, designing, and shopping all at the same time. And digitaldollhouse.com and Dreamhouse Designer on Facebook really allow for you to express yourself in ways that you really haven't before.
Yep.
And what's even better is now with 3D printing, you can actually bring it into your real life. So it's play meets 3D printing meets a whole new world.
And where do I find Digital Dollhouse?
Digitaldollhouse.com, and it's on Cubify.
I love it. I love it.
And you're up there, Avi.
How did I get up there?
You're king of your own house.
King of my own house. Amazing.
I love that. It's really cool.
Yeah, that was another Sense
scan.
Yeah. So physical photography really works, right? Cats and dogs.
Yes, giving it context. So it's really, really cool.
Awesome.